What is Vericut? Vericut is a software for simulating CNC machining processes. Import the NC program, the workpiece, the tools, and a 3D model of the machine to watch and interact with the machining process form start to finish. While the NC program is running, Vericut monitors and logs any collisions and other errors. This is its core functionality, but it's also capable of much more. AutoDiff compares the planned component design, solid, surface, or point models, with the results of the simulation to highlight any differences. An interactive error list makes it easier to identify potential problems between the design and the machined component. Vericut includes interfaces to all common CAD, CAM applications and tool management systems, which makes importing the necessary data quick and easy. Vericut Force optimizes the NC program based on changing conditions to reduce cycle times and prevent undue wear on the machine and tools. In addition to NC programmers, many other departments in manufacturing benefit from using Vericut. Production benefits from shorter cycle times while reducing or eliminating prove-outs. Simulating programs avoids tool breakage and costly machine crashes. Machine operators don't have to spend time trying to adjust the program based on machining noise or chip thickness. Save money on tools and reduce unnecessary wear and breakage while machining more components. Improve workpiece quality with higher precision and better surface finishes with less rework and scrap. Vericut ultimately drives shorter and more reliable machining times to lower the costs and improve profit. The software is even available to assist on the machine level with Reviewer. Vericut Reviewer is a free tool that allows machine operators to visualize every single machining step in 3D. Even if the simulation reveals no errors, the visualization of the NC program is helpful. Simulating the machining process identifies potential errors or areas for improvement in the operation that may not have been seen before. Users can make adjustments and optimizations before the program is sent to the shop floor for production, saving operator time and shortening the overall manufacturing workflow. Vericut is a smarter solution for smarter manufacturing.